guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert a PDF document to a Word document easily. Okay, within just few minutes, easily. Okay, and if it's your first time on this channel, please try to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends, your colleague at work. Okay, so here, how do you convert your PDF to Word document? Just simply go to smallpdf.com. okay, when you arrive at the web page here, go to PDF to Word here. Okay, then you choose your file. Okay, you can open it directly from your Google Drive, but it's on my laptop here, so I'm going to choose the file. Okay, it's somewhere here. It's my resume. It's in PDF, but I did it in Word, so you see what I mean. Okay, I did it in Word and converted to PDF. So we are doing backward now from your PDF to Word back. Okay, so you see this two options here. It says scan pages will appear as images. So if you have any page scanned on that document, on the PDF document, it will appear as an image. But if you still want to convert those scan pages to editable document, this is a pro. You have to purchase this. But if you just simply convert to Word, okay, you just click this and choose your option, and it's converting. So here you have it. You just download your document. You can see here it's already converted to a .docx. So you download, and that you have your Word document. So this is how you can convert your PDF to Word easily and freely. Alright, so thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video, and please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also remember that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, for He is the way, He is the truth, and He is the life, and is the one who will lead you to life everlasting. Thank you from DTW Tutorials. You are destined to win.